How to count the number of files in a directory using Python. How do I count only the files in a directory? This counts the directory itself as a file.
os.list here will be slightly more efficient than using glob.glob. To test if a file name is an ordinary file, and not a directory or other entity, use os.path.isFile.
For all kind of files, subdirectories included, Python 2. Only files, avoiding subdirectories.
This is where fnmatch comes very handy. More details, this URL.